I have to get my hands on that telescope. I can't do a thing with the PJ Masks watching me all the time. Beep bop, beep bop, beep, beep, beep bop. Phew, that was close. Oh no, I'm slipping. Hey, did you guys hear that? Hear what? It was probably just PJ Robot. You know he likes to practice his dance routines when we're not looking. Maybe, but I better go check it out just in case. Oh no, PJ Masks incoming. Time to put my ninja skills to the test. Burballs, I'm stuck. Perfect shot. 1 down, 2 to go. What's taking Catboy so long? Maybe he's showing PJ Robot some of his dance moves. Catboy hasn't got any dance moves. Ah, I can't move. Heh heh, that's what I call a sticky situation. What are you doing here? Don't you have someone else you can bother? Sure I do, but none of them have a nice shiny telescope to steal. Get after him, Gekko! We can't let him get his sticky hands on our telescope. Don't worry, Owlette, I'll stop him. If I was a night ninja, where would I be hiding? Hey, over here. Hello? Who's there? Gasping geckos! Oh no! I'm trapped! You fell for my ninja trick. Now nothing can stop me from taking your precious telescope. Beep bop, beep bop, beep beep bop, beep. Hey, PJ Robot, a little help? Beep beep bop, beep beep bop, beep beep bop. Get me out of here, PJ Robot. Night Ninja is trying to steal our telescope. Great job, PJ Robot. Now, to free the others. Put that down, Night Ninja. PJ Masks! How did you escape my sticky traps? Quickly, he's getting away. Don't worry, I'll stop him. Let me out of here, PJ Masks. Okay, we will. But first, PJ Robot wants to show you his dance moves. No, anything but that. Beep bop, beep bop, beep. PJ Masks, a shout hooray, 'cause in the night we save the